Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about something called Friends Carousel. Basically, if your lens has a Bitmoji, with this carousel, you can let the user choose which friend they want. It's simple to set up with just a little bit of coding, but don't worry because I will leave the code for you in the description box. So let's start. First, we need to download a few things from the asset library. First, the carousel itself. This is the one, download it. And then we need to download BITMOJI stickers. BITMOJI stickers. This is the one, okay? And then download, already you have it, I think you do, but I will write it again. BITMOJI, just friends component. Friends component, this is the one. And of course the Bitmoji 3D. Make sure it's the latest version, okay? So yeah, let's start. Then go here, screen transform. Then let's add the carousel. As you can see here, there are some fields we need to fill, but first we need to add them to the scene, okay? The friends component and Bitmoji selfie component. Go here, add an empty scene object. Duplicate it because we need two. The first one, we're gonna add the friend component, and the other one we're gonna add the stickers, emoji stickers and selfies. Okay, then let's go back here and fill them in. Friends component, emoji stickers. Okay, now as you can see, we made some progress. After that, I need to add a button. Screen transfer. And then let's type button. If you don't have it, just go to the asset library and download it. Okay, here's the button. We need to adjust the position. Just go to Windows, Editors, to the scene. Okay, and I will type here choose. And I love to add animation, so let's add animation. I prefer this one, squish. Let's try and squish it. As you can see, it's not working because there's something we need to adjust. When you click on this one, the carousel, you can see it's covering the screen. That's why I'm pressing here, but I'm actually pressing on the carousel. So what you need to do is just move it. Okay, this one is okay. Yeah, so let's try again. As you can see, we can press it. Okay, we still have a lot to do. Before we do that, I want to add screen image because I have an idea, kind of. I'm gonna add screen image, and since I want it to be background, I need just to send it back. Okay, this is enough. Let's add the image. Okay, stretch it. You can tell it's a ChatGPT generation. Not so proud of this actually, but the idea here is what matters. So let's keep going. I left a space here for the user to choose the dressy friend, and here the lazy friend, and here the rich friend. Okay, so the next step would be adding the Bitmoji. Okay, Windows, Editors, Bitmoji suite, adding Bitmoji. Yeah, since I need 3 of them, I'm gonna duplicate it. Okay, I will adjust the position, the size, the clothing, and the animation, and I will be back. Okay, as you can tell, I added the clothing, the animation, I fixed the positions. So yeah, this part is done. Let's keep going. Something important we need to do is to remove the auto download. Here and also make it to my friend. This is important. Friends component here too. It's component, my friend, friends component. Okay, let's move to coding. Here we're gonna add Java. Okay, this is JavaScript. Click on it, paste this code. I actually took it from Snap AR channel video and added a few things. Just put it as it is, and it will work with 3 friends. Just paste it here. I don't think this will work. Just do Ctrl-V and then click here. It will close. As I said, I will leave it in the description box. This code is working for 3 friends, but most people will use 1, so I will add the 2 codes. 1 for 3 friends and 1 for 1 friend. So save, and we're gonna bring it here. It's okay if it's the last one. Okay, then we need to fill in these fields. Friends carousel, it's here. Yeah, this is the friends carousel, the friends component, the UI button. Here's the friend. I'm so excited to see it work. Okay, and then the last one. Okay, just before we test it, go to the full frame region and then change it to save render. Okay, and now for testing. Okay, for the first one, I'm gonna choose John. Let's click and choose, and it will take some time uploading. Okay, here's John. Let's choose the lazy friend, Alex. Okay, now let's keep going. For the rich friend, I'm gonna choose this girl with buns. Okay, come on, please. Yeah, here's the friend. And as you can see, the carousel automatically disappears. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something, and I don't know if there's gonna be another video in this series, but I will see. Write in the comments if you want to see another video relating to Bitmoji. Goodbye.